having the right budget phone can completely change your whole smartphone experience. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best budget phones so you'll never have to suffer through connectivity or battery problems again. The issue is that a phone might work great for one person, but might not be the best for you, because most phones are not made with the same people in mind, which is why I made sure to include options for all types of situations. So regardless of what you're looking for, I'll have the perfect budget phone for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned to the end so you don't miss anything. First up on my list is the Google Pixel 6a, my choice for the best budget phone for most people. The Pixel 6a sports a 6.1-inch Full HD Plus OLED panel with a 60Hz refresh rate. Now, it's a step down from the 120Hz found in the Pixel 6 Pro and 90Hz from the Pixel 6, but for a budget device, this is a pretty solid display. The colors are vibrant, the contrast is excellent, and the screen offers an enjoyable experience for browsing, gaming, or watching videos. Now, when we take a look under the hood, the Pixel 6a is powered by the Google Tensor. This is the first chip designed by Google for the Pixel. The performance is impressive for a budget phone. It actually launches apps fast, pages and images load really quickly, and everything runs incredibly smooth. The Pixel 6a comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, which is more than enough for most users. The camera on the Pixel 6a is a major selling plus. It features a 12.2 megapixel main camera and a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. Now, while it lacks the telephoto lens found on the Pixel 6 Pro, the quality of the photos is exceptional for a budget device. You can actually expect stunning images with great dynamic range and low light performance. It has an 8 megapixel front camera and tools like Magic Eraser, Face Unblur, and Night Sight. The battery on the Pixel 6a is terrific thanks to a 4,410 milliamp battery. This will allow you up to 24 hours on a single charge, so you'll easily get through a full day of moderate to heavy usage without needing to charge. It has an extreme battery saver mode that can even get up to 72 hours of usage, and the phone supports 18-watt fast charging, ensuring you can quickly top off your battery when needed. The Pixel 6a has a durable build, including Gorilla Corning Glass 3, and it is rated IP67, meaning it can take some water and dust, so you can take it almost anywhere you go. And a really big plus is the privacy and security that is built in. The Titan M2 chip and the Google Tensor security core add an extra layer of hardware security to help make it resilient against attack. And the Google Pixel 6a delivers a fantastic budget phone experience that will more than satisfy. It has a great display, impressive performance, exceptional camera capabilities, and a solid battery life, making it a compelling choice for anyone looking for a premium experience without breaking the bank. Next on my list is the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. Samsung is known for its incredible displays, and the Galaxy A53 5G is no exception. It has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means smooth scrolling and an enjoyable experience when gaming or watching videos. It features vivid outdoor visibility of up to 800 nits while reducing blue light with the Eye Comfort Shield. This phone is great for viewing in all conditions. The Galaxy A53 features a quad camera setup on the back, which is headlined by a 64 megapixel main sensor. Now, this takes sharp, vibrant photos with excellent detail. The ultra-wide and macro lenses also do a great job offering versatility in your photography. It has image stabilization to make sure every image is crystal clear, and the AI-based image enhancer automatically enhances your photos so you can upgrade your images right away. Battery life is an absolute crucial aspect of any smartphone, and the A53 doesn't disappoint. With its 5,000 milliamp hour battery, you can get up to 18 hours of video review or internet use time on a single charge. Combine that with a 25-watt fast charging support, and you'll have a phone that is ready to go whenever you need it. The Galaxy A53 5G has a sleek design, and it's lightweight and comfortable to hold. Rated IP67 for water and dust resistance, the A53 stands up to 1 meter of fresh water for up to 30 minutes. With additional protection from the Gorilla Glass 5, it is tough and less prone to scratches. The Galaxy A53 5G gives you a 128GB built-in storage with an additional 1TB of expansion with a microSD card, so it gives you tons of room to hold on to all of your memories. Samsung Knox provides built-in multi-layered security to defend your most sensitive information from malware and malicious threats. There is also built-in on-screen fingerprint sensor. You can instantly log into your apps and websites without compromising security. The Samsung Galaxy A53 5G is the best overall budget phone with its fantastic camera, excellent display, storage options, and battery life. The A53 5G really ticks all the boxes. You can't go wrong with this phone. Next on my list is the iPhone SE, my choice for the best budget iPhone. The Apple iPhone SE 3rd generation is a terrific budget-friendly phone that gets you into Apple's stylish product line, including a robust roster of iOS features. The iPhone SE stays true to Apple's classic design with its sleek aluminum and glass style, giving it a premium feel we all love. The compact size makes it perfect for one-handed use, and it easily slips into your pocket. The home button has a Touch ID for secure authentication, and it is IP67 water resistant, meaning it can withstand up to 3 feet of water for up to 30 minutes. The display might be smaller compared to the latest flagship models, but don't be fooled. The iPhone SE sports a 4.7-inch Retina HD display with True Tone technology, ensuring vibrant colors and excellent viewing angles. Packed with a powerful A15 Bionic chip, 6-core CPU, 4-core GPU, and 16-core neural engine, this little phone is a beast. It can handle everything from gaming to multitasking with ease. Now trust me, you won't feel like you're using a budget phone when it comes to performance. The SE has a single 12-megapixel rear camera which delivers stunning photos and excellent dynamic range with detail. It includes a portrait mode, deep fusion, and smart HDR4, making this camera more than capable for your everyday photography needs. Plus, it shoots 4K video up to 60 frames per second, and there's also a 7-megapixel FaceTime HD camera. Now, with its efficient A15 chip and smaller display, you can expect up to 15 hours of video playback and up to 10 hours of streaming on a single charge. And if you need a quick top-up, the SE supports fast charging and QI wireless charging, which is a huge plus for a budget phone. The iPhone SE is the most affordable iPhone in Apple's lineup, yet it doesn't compromise on quality or performance. With its stylish design, high-speed processing, and top-notch cameras, it is the right choice for the budget-conscious iPhone lover. And if you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Next on my list is the Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G. The Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G is a fantastic all-around phone that offers a great value without breaking the bank. The Moto G is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 processor, which provides super fast performance that is more than enough for everyday tasks like browsing, social media, and streaming video. And as the name suggests, the phone supports 5G connectivity, meaning you'll be able to enjoy fast download and upload speeds when connected to a 5G network. The Moto G has a large 6.8-inch Full HD Plus display, so your photos, movies, games, and video chats get great visibility. You can even take notes and watch your favorite show all on the same screen. Battery life is another area where the Moto G excels. It comes with a large 5,000 milliamp hour battery, which should last you through up to 2 days of regular use. You also get turbo power charging, so topping off your battery is quick and convenient. The camera setup on the Moto G Stylus 5G is very good for a budget phone. It features a 48 megapixel main sensor and an 8 megapixel ultra wide, a 2 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. While it may not compete with more expensive flagship phones, the camera performance is really solid and great for the price. You can expect good quality photos with accurate colors and decent dynamic range in well-lit environments. Now, one of the standout features of the Moto G Stylus 5G is, of course, the stylus. It's an excellent addition that sets this phone apart from other budget devices. The stylus is precise and responsive, making it perfect for navigating, editing, or any task that requires pinpoint precision. With 128 gigabytes of built-in storage and 4 gigabytes of RAM, the Moto G has you covered, and it is flexible for you to expand the storage in future if you need to. Overall, the Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G is an excellent all-around budget phone that offers a ton of bang for your buck. It delivers on all key features from its large display to processing power to impressive battery life, plus an addition of a stylus. This device is perfect for those who want a reliable smartphone without spending a fortune. And last on my list is the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. The Samsung Galaxy A14 5G is another budget-friendly phone from Samsung. It was released after the A53 5G model that we talked about earlier, and it costs significantly less, coming in at about half the price of the A53. It's geared for those that want reliable, good quality basics. This phone has an impressive 6.6-inch 90Hz HD Plus display and comes in a variety of attractive colors to suit your personal style. This screen gives you all the details and makes your games and favorite shows really enjoyable. Its durable build feels good in your hands. It doesn't have any water or dust resistance like the A53 though. It does provide virtually lag-free speeds driven by the octa-core 5G processor. The phone comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, which is more than enough for most users. Plus, this phone supports expandable storage up to 1TB with a microSD card. Moving on to the camera, the Galaxy A14 5G has a triple camera setup on the back, with a 50-megapixel main camera, a 2-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The camera takes good photos in daylight, and the night mode is surprisingly good for a phone in this price range. The front-facing camera is 13 megapixels, which is more than enough for selfies and video calls. So although the camera setup isn't quite as robust as the A53, it is really respectable for the price point of this phone. One of the standout features of the Galaxy A14 5G is its battery life. The phone has a massive 5,000 mAh battery, which can last up to 2 days with moderate usage. The Galaxy A14 5G has 5G connectivity, which is also a big deal for a phone in this price range. The phone also has Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi, a USB-C port, and a headphone jack. If you're looking for a budget phone with a good performance, a decent camera, great battery life, and 5G connectivity, then the Galaxy A14 is the phone for you. It's not the most powerful phone out there, but it's more than capable of handling everyday tasks. And at its price point, the Galaxy A14 5G is a really great value for the money. And if you guys like this video or learned something, please give it a like, and be sure to check out the description for the links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. That's all. Till next time.